Hello, hi, and welcome back to What's New in Zoho CRM. As always, we have exciting new updates lined up for the month of June 2026. Let's start with key enhancements in data import, where you can now import inventory modules. The import interface has also been redesigned to support the upload of multiple files for import. And while importing, you can simultaneously import dependent module data using the drag and drop option. For multi-select fields, you can now append the values as well. And for notes, you can now update or upsert multiple notes in a single import. For a detailed walkthrough, check out the video link in the description. Next, let's take a look at data export. Under the Preferences section, you'll now find two new toggles. The Set Password toggle, which lets you add a password to your exported zip files, and the Rich Text as Plain Text toggle, which removes HTML tags from formatted text. Moving on to Record Sharing for Activities module. From a Records More menu, you can now share a task, meeting, or call directly just like any other CRM record. Simply set the access type, add users, and choose the level of access. Up next, an email integration. While configuring your email integration, you'll now see a new Synchronize Emails From dropdown, wherein you can select the date from which your emails should start syncing into your CRM. And finally, an update to Cadences from our marketer.
Hi, this is Sohail. We've got a couple of quick enhancements to Cadences. Let me walk you through them. First up, you now have more ways to decide when the next follow-up should be triggered. Alongside the response status, you can now set up criteria based on the properties of the previous call or task for the next follow-up. Secondly, we've also added new email response signals such that you can set up follow-ups not just when your customer interacts with your email, but also when they don't. Let me show you how. For example, you can choose to trigger the follow-up based on response criteria or a combination of both. In this case, let's say we want to trigger an email follow-up scheduling a demo when the sales rep has logged a call and say the result of the call was interested and the call ran for greater than or equal to 600 seconds. That is 10 minutes basically. You can choose to give a follow-up name. And that's it. And secondly, if you want to schedule a task, let's say after 1 day of the previous email, you can choose to do so if the responses is not opened, not clicked, not replied, and opened but not replied, any of these.
And that's a wrap for June 2026. I'll see you again on the next one. Thank you.